Hello guys, I have a new problem with my camper. I don't have right now. The fridge doesn't work, doesn't start, and I have here error code 9 and with a wrench. The fridge is start on gas and after 10 seconds it's off. So I will show you how I manage this problem. Still clicking. Dă-i acum. Now it's not clicking. Let's hope she will stay on fire. And yeah, she's worked. It worked. The problem is the igniter, guys. She needs to be close to the fire, but not too close, not too far. Here is the gap, which is not in original position. See? So I come here, I take off this grill, I measure the voltage on this valve. I have 6.2 volt, and when the fire is off, the valve power supply is off. I check the ground here, the cable from the igniter was too close to the burner. I raise a little bit the igniter. You can see here the gap between the metal support and now the fridge is work on gas, guys. So that was the fridge repair. Somebody worked here before me and it's a mess. Bye.